Hello everybody, welcome to Curail Listings. I'm your host Prajwal Haniya and you are watching one of the most passionate book shows on the internet, that is the Curail Listings. What we do here, we actually read books and make videos on the books that we read. Most probably I will be choosing non-fiction books because we know that your time is valuable, and if you're watching this video, we want you to gain something out of it. So we want you to invest your 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes on this channel. Don't spend. There is a lot of difference between investing and spending your time. If you are investing, you are expecting something called as ROI, what you call as return on investment. In the long run, you are definitely going to get the returns which you never expected. The returns will be in the form of the information, of course, because one single book takes years of research to bring it down into a paperback. It's not easy. If you can download it, if you can get a glimpse of that book within 20 to 30 minutes, what's in that book, then it's totally a win situation. Very few people read books, okay? Very few people read from one end to the other end. Many people buy books but cannot go beyond few chapters. Maybe it may find boring to you. We here make videos on that, maybe in types of summaries, in types of reviews. It's definitely going to be helpful. One video is already dropped. Do watch it, share your thoughts on that, and most important, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, that is the most important thing. Do subscribe and share it with your friends and family. It's not that only you gain something out of it, you want others to gain something out of it too. Watch the first video and do share your views on that. This is all about the show, and don't forget to invest your time.